Alright folks, this is the 2020 Cadillac XT6 Premium All-Wheel Drive. How is it? Honestly, it's confusing. I want to like it. I want this to be great. The problem is, there's a few too many issues that really keep it from greatness. Let's go over it. Before we talk about the bad, let's talk about the good. And one of the best aspects is the interior. This interior is one of the best American interiors I've sat in. Everything feels substantial, it feels heavy, it feels, hell, European, almost Audi-like in its material quality, and hell, it even smells good. I love the way this interior looks, feels, smells, and just supports you. Cadillac did a great job on the interior. And since it's a 3-row mid-size crossover, let's go ahead and talk about interior volume. It's great. There's plenty of room in the second row, which you can slide fore and aft. And with that, you can get plenty of leg room in the third row as well. So that means you can actually fit full-size humans. Can the cargo area be bigger? Sure, it could be bigger, but it's not bad. It's not as big as a Suburban, nor is it big as a Traverse, but I think it's perfectly sized for majority of the people out there. Okay, on to the way the XT6 drives, and honestly, it's one of the best aspects of the vehicle. It drives amazing. It comes with the GM corporate 3.6 liter V6, and it pulls, and it sounds good at the same time. Is it the quickest crossover you can get? No, but it can get the job done. It handles great. It has great steering feel. The suspension tuning is spot on. It rides like a Cadillac, but when you take a corner, it stiffens up. Is this fun to fling around a corner? No. But is it fun-ish? Yes. It's pretty good. And the seating position is great. You can sit nice and low in the cabin. It's almost BMW-esque. Cadillac nailed the performance dynamics. I'm not even going to do a voiceover on this one, just look. That's getting into the third row. Come on. To quote Peter Griffin, this is what really grinds my gears on the XT6, that 400 badge. Take a look. It does not mean 400 horsepower. It does not mean 400 foot-pounds of torque. It does not mean 400 cubic inches of displacement. It's fake. It doesn't mean anything. It's just pure marketing. What does it mean? It means this, Newton meters, but not even 400 Newton meters. It means 360. They just rounded it up to 400. So in essence, they could put a 4 million badge on the back of it. Hell, they could put a 1,000 badge in the back of it. It doesn't mean anything. It's just pure marketing bullshit. I really feel sorry for the salesperson who has explained this to a customer, because I wouldn't be able to do so. Take the damn badge off the car. These issues keep the XT6 from being a great segment leader. It's almost there. It's almost there, and it's infuriating because GM had the perfect formula. They just dropped the ball. They can still do it, so come on GM. This is Yusuf signing off.